In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mailchimp emails as PDFs quickly and easily. Whether you want to archive your emails, share them offline, or just save them for future reference, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of converting your Mailchimp emails into PDF format. To get started, ensure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Campaign section. Click on Campaigns in the main navigation menu, where all your past and ongoing campaigns are listed. This section makes it simple to locate the specific email you want to download. Once you've found the email, the next step is to view it. By clicking on the specific campaign, you'll be presented with several options. You need to select View Email. This action will bring up the full email layout, replicating exactly how it appears to your recipients. This step is essential before proceeding with saving it. Next, look for an option within the email that says View in Browser. You'll typically find this link either at the top or the bottom of your email. Clicking this link will open the full email directly in a new browser tab. This step is crucial because it provides you with a clean version of the email, ensuring it matches what the recipient sees, which is ready for conversion to a PDF. With the email now open in a new tab, it's time to move on to the printing part of the process. You'll want to initiate the print dialog. If you're using a Windows computer, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+P. If you're on a Mac, you'll hit CMD+P. This key combination will bring up the print settings, where you'll make some important adjustments. In the print dialog, you'll notice options to select a printer. For our purpose, you'll need to change the destination or printer setting to Save as PDF. This particular selection transforms the email from something intended for physical printing into a file format that can be easily shared and stored digitally. Once you've selected Save as PDF, you're almost there. Look for the Save button to finalize this action. Clicking it will prompt you to choose a location on your device to save the PDF. It's recommended to pick a memorable place so you can easily find the PDF later. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully downloaded your email as a PDF. This method ensures that all your formatting is preserved and that your email is archived exactly as it appears in Mailchimp. Feel free to repeat this process for any other emails you need to save. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.